how to redirect domain in Namecheap. Hover over your name, then select dashboard. From within the dashboard, we will need to click on domain list. Click on domain list and then select the domain for which you want to redirect. Click on the domain itself here, or rather select manage. And here from the main screen, if you scroll down, you will see the option redirect domain. Right here, you will need to click on add redirect. This is going to be the source URL, so I will just do an example website here. And then the destination URL is going to need the protocol, so HTTP or HTTPS. And this is just another example. I don't claim to own either of these, but this is just, like I said, an example, and you will click on save changes, and that is how you redirect DNS in Namecheap. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.